Unlocking the Secrets of the Discus Throw, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of athletics, the discus throw. Specifically, we'll explore what is meant by the discus technique. Whether you're an English language learner, an aspiring athlete, or just curious, this video will shed light on the intricacies of one of the oldest sports known to humanity. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the skills and strategies behind a successful discus throw. The discus throw is a track and field event that involves hurling a heavy disc, known as a discus, as far as possible. Originating from ancient Greece, it has been a staple in the Olympics for over a century. The athlete spins within a confined circle and releases the discus into the air, aiming for maximum distance. The technique, strength, and skill involved in this process are what make the discus throw both challenging and fascinating. The discus technique is a complex series of movements that athletes use to maximize the distance the discus is thrown. It involves four main phases. 1. The grip and stance. Holding the discus correctly is crucial. Athletes use a specific grip technique, and their stance at the start sets the tone for the entire throw. 2. The swing. This initial movement helps build momentum. The discus is swung back, and the athlete starts to rotate. 3. The spin. Athletes spin 1 to 1.5 times within the circle. This phase requires balance, coordination, and power. 4. The release. Timing is key. The release angle, as well as the speed of the discus, determine the final distance thrown. Each phase is critical and requires precise execution for a successful throw. Mastering the discus technique demands dedication and practice. Athletes spend countless hours refining their movements, building strength, and improving their coordination. Key training focuses include technical drills to enhance each phase of the throw, strength and conditioning to improve overall power and durability, mental preparation to maintain focus and composure during competition. The discus throw is more than just an athletic event. It's a blend of art, strength, and science. Understanding the discus technique opens up a new appreciation for the sport and its athletes. We hope this video has illuminated the complexities and beauty of the discus throw. Keep practicing, stay curious, and perhaps one day, you'll master the technique yourself. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.